another video. We currently waiting on Bryan to come out of the airport, handling business. Stop, Bryan. Handling business he had to handle for work and everything of that sort. Afterwards, we are actually going to look for dirt bikes or no dirt bikes or motorcycles. We are going to look though.
No motorcycle.
Okay, no motorcycle. I can't talk. We're gonna let him do it. We're gonna look for dirt bikes and motorcycles. You don't want to go look for motorcycles?
Yeah.
You do?
Okay.
Okay. So we are going to look for dirt bikes and motorcycles. You are funny. Okay, that's what we're doing today. And I'm taking my camera with me.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
A cookie.
You eating cookies?
A neck.
Huh?
A neck.
Your neck.
Neck.
Daddy gonna get you. You dropping cookies in his car.
Car.
Whatever. All right.
A nasty.
They nasty?
A nasty.
Yeah, because they feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go doing unnecessary.
Bills. Yeah.
Get in the camera with Mama. Come on. Where you go? Right here. Mama trying to get in the camera with you. Louise. Jeez Louise.
Please.
All right. Well, we'll get back on the camera later. So tell the camera, see you shortly. You better stop. Ah! You shouldn't be so bad.
Jimmy.
I scared you. Why you so bad? You are a terrible too.
You baby.
No, you the terrible too.
You should do.
You the terrible too.
You terrible.
How old is Mama?
Mama.
How old am I?
Ma.
Never mind.
Jaya.
Huh?
Jaya.
I don't know what you're saying.
Jaya.
Oh, Bryan. Oh, okay. Where Bryan?
Baby.
Oh, that's you, Bryan?
Huh?
So is Daddy named Bryan too?
Daddy too. Huh?
Daddy named Bryan too.
Go put you on the river.
So this is the one. I like it.
Hard. And this is the.
Let me grab Bryan. Which one?
This one 9,000. That one's 7,000. This one's stock, but it's newer though.
You wanna get out, huh? You can't.
Yeah, that's one 9,000.
Can't you get out?
Yeah, it wants to fuck it up.
Yeah.
How do you know that people want to come in here and do shit?
this bitch.
I like the black. Ooh, for real.
Right?
You make it awkward to vlog. Cause why are you looking at the camera? Oh my goodness. It's the red slingshot for me. Yes, it's so cute. What is this? ATV?
Nah, side by side.
Wow.
He's trying to get in.
Ooh.
A slingshot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Red.
Nope. This one is red.
Red.
So what color is this one? Blue.
Blue.
Yes.
And see?
Brian, you can't get in there.
See? Oh.
Come on, let's go see the dirt bikes.
They're back.
This is your size. You say, Daddy, can I get this one? This is so cute. You knock one over, all of them falling.
He already know what to do.
All right. That's for the gas. Go to the playground. Don't fall, Brian. Go play.
Oh.
That's a big boy kind, Brian. I don't know if he could do that one. That's what you gotta do. You gotta climb up and put your feet right here. Like, yeah. One. Go ahead. Oh, never mind. Okay, that's not gonna work. Come on, let's go see the slide. You can get on the slide or the ladder, yeah. Look at your braid coming down. Go ahead. Go ahead, big boy. Go ahead, go, pay attention. Be careful. Get on the slide. My anxiety is through the roof. Him climbing up this ladder. Come on. Go, slide. Can you even slide? It's super dry. Oh, big boy. Good job. You did it. Yay. Come get Mama 5. Or not. I know that boy did just go all around the whole playground just to come right back to this ladder. Y'all, he could have got off the ladder and literally came this way. Okay, go up again. Be careful. Go ahead. Good job, big boy. Come on. I see you.
Oh, dirt bike.
Yeah, dirt bike.
see the back.
Come on, slide down. Slide down.
Whee!
Oh, you did a great job. You did a great job. Go ahead. Slide down like a big boy. Good job. My attempt at trying to climb up this rock climbing thing. Mama did it. That's how you were supposed to do it. Alright, come here. Let's do the monkey bar. Yeah, this is a hard one. That's a hard no for me. I cannot do the rock climbing thing. Hard no. You okay? There you go with this damn ladder. He tried to.
Whee!
You having fun?
Whee!